Hey, what's up guys? My name is Joel and this is another vlog. A vlog from Turkey. Turkey! We're currently at the DELPHIN Hotel and Resorts Hotel. It's a complex of 5 hotels and we're in one of them. So I'm currently on our balcony and this is the view from our balcony. I thought that I would give you guys a hotel tour, and while showing you that, I can show you what happened at these places during the time we spent here. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started.
Okay, let's go.
Where is it better to start a hotel tour than at the entrance? So this is the entrance to our hotel, DELPHIN Imperial. You usually get transported by a shuttle right here, up there, and then you can, just like the shuttle up there, leave, and then you enter the lobby to this ginormous hotel. And I will show you guys around now what this place has to offer, because it's a lot. By the way, this is what it looks like at night. So you can sit here in the lobby, and these are elevators that go all the way to the 9th floor, and you can just relax here. There's the lobby entrance, there's a piano, sometimes someone's playing there. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my room tour of the hotel DELPHIN Imperial. I will show you what most of these rooms look like here at the hotel because they're really pretty and insane. Let's start with the bedroom, where the beds stand. Here we have where everyone gets to sleep. They have really interesting designed pillows and sheets, blankets, all the stuff. The really pretty lighting at the back is really nice. And lighting.
Correct.
Also, every room here has their own fridge. There's a little closet with a fridge in there. It's filled with drinks, alcohol, non-alcohol, and it's getting refilled every single day. So no one has to be thirsty ever at this hotel in their room. There's a TV in every room. There's a mirror, snacks that get refilled every day too. A little place where you can hang out, just sit there, relax, enjoy the view, which we'll get to in a second. But before we get to the view, I will show you the bathroom here. So this one is right here. And last but not least, we'll get to the view of most of these rooms that they have here at the hotel. Check this out. surrounded by other hotels because the Delphin Resorts and Hotels is a whole complex of several hotels, and we're in one of them, the Hotel Imperial. So all around us are more and more hotels. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of our room here, and we'll continue with the rest of the video. They have a 24/7 reception, and these are some of the elevators. What's also cool is they have a room where you can grab food at any time that I'll show you right now. You can get it morning, evening, noon, and there's always a lot of stuff, kind of cafeteria-like, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Then if you go down in these tubes, you get to the basement where so many more things are, and I will show you right now what some of these are. Let's start with the nightclub. Unfortunately, this is closed due to COVID, but this is usually a party area. They have a doctor. They have a bar that's open till late at night where you can get Turkish tea, sweets, alcohol. It's lit up during the night. They have a hairdresser, toy store, photo shop, a gym, glasses store, bags and watches and stuff. An inside pool. This one's really cold. Shower. A spa area. Bowling. They have all the a la carte restaurants, which I will show you some right now. We already have Italian, Greek, Spanish, Japanese, and many more. Dinner time. But now let's go outside and see what's there. Let's start at the relaxed pool. It's a pool where basically no one under the age of 16 is allowed because it's only for adults and really calm. Then we have this cute place. It's basically a bar, and you can get a certain time pizza, at a certain time various meat or
painting, and you can just sit down. They have like a designated roller skate team. They ask you constantly if you want something to drink, if they can help you in any way, and the luxury is intense. This is the daily animation program. Today we got butterfly night and a disco party. Let's go. Here are usually cocktails. Here we got pool number 1.
I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine. You see the sea, I'll see the sunshine. I'll be your love,
And we got pool number 2.
I'll be your sunshine, shine, shine. I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine. I'll be your love.
So there in the back, there is where like darts events or air gun events take place. They're super fun too and for everyone accessible. You can get food anywhere you want. Another pool for children. Coffee, sandwich, toast, and more. Here comes some private little tables that you can meet. Not meet, that you can rent.
Correct.
Here you can play table tennis for free. Everything here is for free, at least how we booked it, because we have the all-inclusive. And I don't know where exactly yet, but somewhere here is the way upstairs. And then there's, above this whole thing, there is a tennis court, but I don't know how to access that yet. There's also a basketball court and stuff. Pretty cool. This is the main stage. There's an upper stairs too. For all the events here at night. I can show you some clips of that too. They're pretty cool. Showtime. They also have a Ferris wheel. Welcome to the beach area. There's the pier, I will show you that in a second. And back there is a stand where you can go jet skiing or do like some other cool motorsport stuff. And we went jet skiing actually yesterday, and I can show you some pictures of that. Also, the pier is lit up at night. I can show you how that looks like too right now. yeah, that's the beach. There in the background, you can see the Ferris wheel and the hotel. And there we got the pier. Ooh. There's a beach bar at the end of it where you can get drinks and snacks too. Once again, the service is literally insane. Look, this is what you can book too to do here. That looks fun too. I don't know if you can see very well, but there's a hotel that looks like a plane. It's a really cool. Just look at this view on your hotel. Like, this is insane.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was the hotel tour from the DELPHIN IMPERIAL Hotel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. That would help my channel a lot. And as in the last video, we'll do a best clip of the week. So without further ado, here it is.
Nutella.
What's the word?
Peanut butter.
Alright, stay tuned. Once again, thanks for watching. And I'll see you